Hello everyone, myself Trend Academy. Welcome back to this new video and welcome back to the series of Natas where we are learning web security. So we are gonna search over the Natas over the wire, and today we are gonna solve the level 3. Okay, we already solved till level 2. Now we are gonna solve the level 3. So for this, we will first need to log in. So we will copy the URL and we will give the username and we will give the password which we got, okay, from the previous level. Okay, again, so we got a web page, simple web page. There is nothing on this page. Okay, previously the same thing was there, but in the source code we found the password, but here again, I don't think so. Okay, so there is a hint for us. No more information links. Okay, so this time this website is not gonna give us anything. Not even Google will find this. Sorry, Google will find it this time. Okay. So basically, I think so. He is challenging us that even Google can't find it. So how can you? So here I got two things from the source code. We can see again the path traversal, so we will go through it, and I got one more URL here. You can see I will remove that and I will search. I hope so. My connection is having some issues, that's why it is taking some time. What happened to my internet? It was working fine. It's working, but maybe the site is not loading. I don't know why. Let's try once again. Okay, yeah. Okay, now we can open it. Okay, so we will do the part traversal and we will see. Okay, so these are just JavaScript files, so we can't find password here. For the CSS also, that we need to check once. Maybe there will be a user.txt or any admin.txt like that. Again, there are only CSS file. Inside that you can check it, but I don't think so. There is something. So now what to do? I am giving you a simple hint. If you are a developer, I mean to say you know about basic things like deployment and SEO, then you should know about two things. First one is robots.txt file. Second one is sitemap.xml. What are these things? So, if you are a developer or not, then still listen this thing. Robots.txt is that file which prevents the user or the unauthorized person to accessing some API endpoints which a normal user should not go and check it, because there can be sensitive details like admin details and passwords, whatever those things are restricted comes under robots.txt. So we can again use the path traversal and we can see that is any robots.txt present over the server or not. And again we can see the same. Sitemap.html works for SEO. It will contain the basically it is encoded in XML language and it contains links. Links in what sense? It will give you proper SEO tags like yes, your ranking of the website will be higher if the sitemap.xml is properly coded. So we are gonna first check whether robots.txt is available or not. If it's available, then we are getting a bigger stuff. Okay, so yes, there it is. One more thing, if you are not much familiar with these things, like you are not able to think about robots.txt or path traversal, you can use a tool which is called GoBuster. With the command GoBuster dir dash u then URL. Which URL? This URL. You are gonna give this URL because, and this will be on command line. Command line in the sense CMD. Okay. You can use here like this GoBuster dir dash u then the URL. Okay. Sorry for this inconvenience. I by mistake Control C instead of copying. So now you need to give the word list. So what is the best word list? See, there is no best word list. You can search over Google word list for directory enumeration. Enumeration. So you will find already, if you have Kali Linux or something, you will find. See, here you can see stack list. Stack list is the biggest, you can say, the biggest file for any kind of files for, you can say, like directory for any kind of common usernames, passwords, anything. This is a very big txt. Here comes a common.txt. Understood? Here you can see everything. So if you will use this, then you will give this command. Let's say this one. Let's copy it. You can download it from here also, and it comes pre-installed if you are using Kali Linux. Okay. So you will just give the word list, and it will show you some files. Which files? First one will be index.html. So that will open this, and second one will be robots.txt again. So here we got a API endpoint, or you can say path. So we will follow that path. Let's see whether it works or not. And yes, here we got a user.txt, and if we will open that, we got the password for the next level, which we will save. And as you can see, this was not a level which needs a very high kind of expertise. It was just about the thinking skills and how a hacker should think. So I hope you understood the core understanding that yes, if you are learning something or solving any lab, then it doesn't matter what tools you know, how much ahead you are from other people. The main thing is that how you think and how you crack that. How you crack that? Yes, in this way we can get the password, we can get the privilege, we can get the root access. So this is how hackers do things. So I hope you understood the room well. So let's see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay secure. Bye bye, regards, Trend Academy.